especially it being longer. Like, bam, 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 bam. I cannot wait to stun on everybody with this wig. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. We're pumping these videos out, honey. So this wig is another wig from Bling hair. This is a 13x6 deep wave wig. So last time, the wig I'm wearing right now is from Bling hair, you guys. So let me show y'all real quick. So this is their 13x6. 36-inch body wave wig. This is body wave, but I flat ironed it. So here we have this wig from Bling hair that is their deep wave texture. It's a 13x4 and should be 36 inches. So I know our last wig unboxing was a dud. The wig was not true to length, the last wig unboxing we did, but let's pray this wig unboxing is a little bit better. Fingers crossed, you guys, fingers crossed. We are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. I feel like Bling hair is like great for the girlies who need affordable hair. Like, they have really good prices. Once again, this wig is also under $200. I don't like how that lighting is changing like that. I don't like that, but we're just gonna work with it. But once again, this wig is under $200. So that's fantastic, 36 inches. So it should be pretty long. We're gonna see, we're unboxing it together. We're going to experience this wig together. This is how this wig came, because I just got this wig basically. I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks. And the girlies also want deep wave hair. It's spring, summer. You want that nice curly, wet and wavy look. So the girlies need a deep wave wig. So it comes in this itty bitty box. Let's go ahead and see what she's giving. Like, they packed this thing in here, you guys. They packed it. But let's see. So here's the wig. Okay, it seems long. This seems pretty long. Oh, okay. Oh, we got some gifts. We have an edge brush. Bam, bam, bam. A beauty sponge. And we have a wig cap. But in the pack, this is how the hair is looking. It looks long. It looks like it may be true to length. Of course, we're gonna pull out our measuring tape and see if this wig is actually true to length, because we don't have time for anything that's not really what it says it is. We don't have time for that. I know, you guys, that's another thing. I want to pump out a bunch of wig videos because these tariffs they're putting on items from everywhere, but especially China. If you want hair, order it. Order it immediately. No time to think. We don't know what the world will be like in even 2 weeks. So if you want a wig, if you got a birthday coming up, order your wig. Order your wig. I'm not playing with you. My birthday is in December and I'm thinking of, I might need to get my birthday wig now. So, let me see. So this wig I'm wearing is transparent lace, so it's not HD lace. And I can tell looking at this lace, this is also a transparent lace. So it's not thick, it's easy to work with, but if you're looking for only HD, it's not HD. So looking at this wig, looking at the front of it, let's get into it. Like, the lace is thin, it's easy to work with, but of course it's not HD. I don't know if this is on purpose or what, but these little hairs up front, they're like kind of kinky. They're a bit kinky a little bit. So it looks like, I feel like I always wanted a wig, because now they have wigs where like the edges are like 4C and then the rest of the hair is like body wave, or like, not body wave, but deep wave or kinky curly like ours. But this is the wave pattern. This is a nice looser wave. I have to reread it and make sure this is, it said deep wave, because I might have put that in my head. So I'm going to actually see, was this supposed to be deep wave? But this is a nice looser curl. Oh, this is nice. This is, oh, hold on. This is, I like this thickness. This thickness is eating. Look at this. So this is nice. I'm happy. So I do feel like it's not heavy. This wig is not heavy. So when I first pulled it out the pack, I was like, I was thinking like, is this wig gonna be thick enough? Because I do like this wig I'm wearing right now from them, but I feel like it could be thicker. I feel like it could be a little bit thicker. But of course, for under 200, like what, this wig was maybe 160. For like 160, under 200, this is not bad at all, especially for 36 inches. But I like the thickness of this hair. This is nice, and this is like a looser wave pattern. So it's nothing like super duper tight. So the length of this wig should be really nice too, because of course when it's more kinky, it's like kind of shrinks a little more. So let me get up and see what this is giving. Oh, let me show you all the inside of this wig. So it does have an elastic band on the inside, and this is their 13x4, so let me show you all also how much lace you get. I would say it's not that much lace, but this is like a full 13x4. This is a full 13x4, so it's not a U-shaped 13x4. This is a full 13x4, you guys. So I'm happy about that. I think I'm so used to 13x6s though, but yeah, this is a full 13x4. Let me show you all how long this hair is. So let me get back. Of course, I told you I'm wearing their 36-inch body wave wig, and I did trim the ends a little bit. So show y'all if I put this on. But yeah, that's about right. It's stopping like right here. Right here, bam. Like right touching my butt a little bit. And of course, when I do my hair, whenever I have like a deep wave wig, I usually put some type of gel in it or something. So it's probably gonna stretch a little more. But this curl is cute. Like, this isn't tight at all. I would say this is more of a loose wave wig. So sometimes these vendors put in every curl pattern, so it'll come up in like the algorithm when you search. I think this is giving loose wave. And honestly, like I tell you guys, I am a loose wave girly. I know some people like their hair kinkier, but I like it loose for sure. So I'm happy with this curl pattern, thickness all the way. Like, it's the same thickness all the way down. I feel like even with this like body wave wig, I feel like the ends did get like a little thinner, but this is thick, the same thickness all the way down. All the way down, you guys. So that's really cute. I'm really liking this curl pattern. Like, really look at it. It's eating the girlies up. And I don't know if this is supposed to be kinky, but I like these little kinky baby hairs up here. I don't know if it's supposed to be, but those are cutesy. Of course, elastic band. Their wigs are big head friendly. I have a big head, you guys, and I have a lot of hair under here. My hair is thick, so it goes on my head just fine. And with this elastic band, of course, you can make it a little bit smaller and tighter if you need to, and you are one of the smaller head girlies. So that is fantastic. Of course, I'm going to customize this wig. I can't wait to wear it. As soon as I go to a pool, this is it, you guys, especially it being longer. Like, bam, 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 bam. I cannot wait to stun on everybody with this wig. But I like it, I like it. And honestly, so I'm sure this is about 180% density. Of course, I'm going to put the real specs in the title and description box. But when you have a curly wig, sometimes with those, like, with a 250% density curly wig, it can be a lot sometimes. So I think 180% is the perfect density for a deep wave wig. Now, if I have a body wave or straight wig, I want that to be 250% density. And the density is the thickness if you guys are newer to wigs. So density is the thickness. So 250% is super duper thick. 180 is in the middle, and then you have like 150, even 100 sometimes, and those are really thinner wigs. I like for my curlier wigs to be more so 180, and then when I get straight and body wave, those 250 super thick. But this is nice. I'm happy with this wave, and for it to, I like this thickness. I'm happy with just the uniformness of this hair. And even like the frontal, so this is where the frontal stop. I feel like the frontal's curl pattern blends in well with the rest of the hair. It's not like some huge difference of curl pattern or color. And even with this wig, I did not dye this wig jet black. Like, it was pretty dark. I know some people don't like darker hair, but I didn't dye this hair jet black. This hair, I probably won't even need to dye this hair either. I don't see myself having to dye this. It's dark enough for me, so I'm happy I can skip that step and I don't have to watercolor jet black or anything. So this is a nice wig, and for it to be a full 13x4, that's a plus. That's like a little Easter egg I was not expecting, because even this wig, it's a 13x6, but it's like a U-shaped 13x6. So you know what? I'm pretty happy with this wig. I cannot wait to play with it and actually put her on, customize her a little bit. So we are going to do that in the next few days. But of course, I'll be back with an updated review and installation probably of this wig very soon, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to link this wig. So, oh, once again, you guys, so I actually got this wig from TikTok Shop. But this wig is also on Aliexpress. For my girlies that are not in the United States, this wig is on Aliexpress. So I am going to link the Aliexpress link I'm going to link the TikTok shop link because that's exactly where I got this wig from. So if you want to get it from TikTok shop, you can. And then use my code, well, like use the link in my TikTok because I can get a little money back, you guys. So definitely use that link. If you are in the US, get it from TikTok so I can get my monies. If you want to, I would appreciate it dearly. But okay, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.